Have you ever tightened the waistband of your skirt only to end up with a muffin top? The problem isn't that you tightened it, it's how you tightened it. Today I'll show you a simple trick to make your waistband fit snugly without creating that muffin top. It's Muffin from Sparkly Belly. Let's get started. For this, you'll need some elastic that's at least 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch wide, a needle, and button thread. It's best if the thread and elastic match your skirt, but I'll be using a contrasting color so it's easier to see what I'm doing. So the trick is to add the elastic only to the back of the waistband. That way you can make the waistband fit more snugly without creating that muffin top effect. Let me show you. Start by laying your skirt flat and place a pin about 10 centimeters or 4 inches from each side of the center back seam. Next, place the elastic at the left pin about 5 millimeters or 1/4 inch from the top edge of the skirt and pin or clip it in place. And trim the elastic at the right pin. Thread your needle and secure the left end of the elastic by stitching along the edge. Any stitch will do here. Pick up just a tiny bit of the skirt fabric so the stitches are barely visible from the outside. Then bring the needle through the edge of the elastic and repeat. If your skirt has a lining, you can sew the elastic to the lining instead. Now we'll create a thread casing that holds the elastic in place while still allowing it to stretch. Bring your needle up and over the elastic diagonally, about 5 millimeters or 1/4 inch to the right. And take a couple millimeter long stitch in the fabric from right to left, right above the elastic. Bring the needle back over the elastic diagonally again, then another tiny stitch right below the elastic this time. Repeat this all the way across. The important thing here is not to sew through the elastic. The elastic should be able to slide and stretch inside the thread casing. When you reach the second pin, tie a knot to secure the thread. And pin the end of the elastic here so we don't lose it. Now take out the pins marking the beginning and end and try the skirt on. Just watch out the pin that's still in there and gently pull the elastic until the waistband feels comfortably snug. Once you're happy with the fit, mark the elastic with a pin or clip. You see it's more snug at the back, but the front part is still soft and not creating a muffin top effect. Take the skirt off carefully and trim away the excess elastic and securely stitch down the end. And that's it! By adding elastic only to the back of the waistband, you get a more secure fit without creating that muffin top. You can use this exact same trick on a slightly loose Bentley belt, shorts, and pants too. A great fit is one of the biggest secrets to making your costumes look beautiful and feel amazing to wear. If you'd like to learn more techniques like this, check out the Sparkly Belly All Access membership. You get unlimited access to all of my premium sewing courses, from bras and belts to skirts, dresses, and accessories. We have the skirt you saw today there too. Plus, new courses are added regularly, so there's always something new to create. Click the link below to learn more. I hope to see you there. I hope you'll give this elastic trick a try. And once your waistband fits just right, why not sew a stretch skirt from scratch? Check out this tutorial next where I'll show you exactly how to make the easiest stretch skirt ever. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!